Hi, my name is Nigel and I'm one of the accountancy team at HBS. Today, what I'd like to do is talk about accounting records. Now, this, in most people's opinion, is probably the dull stuff. For people running businesses, what they're selling, their product, their marketing, their website, their business cards are probably far more interesting. However, not having accounting records and not being able to prove what you've earned or what you've spent could get you into a lot of hot water if you don't do it right from the word go. So what I want to do is give you some hints and tips. Hints and tips today, well, they are equally applicable to limited companies and sole traders. If you have got a limited company, believe it or not, you are actually obliged to keep accounting records as per the Companies Act. So you really ought to be paying attention. For everybody else, I recommend that you follow a pretty robust process. So the first thing, people say, oh, do I need a business bank account? Well, if you've got a limited company, yes, definitely a bank account in the limited company's name. For sole traders, I know people are sometimes a bit put off by the bank charges and things, but really it's better to run everything through a separate bank account because A, you can keep track of your revenues, and B, you can keep track of all of your costs, because how many times have we lost receipts and things like that and thought, oh, we spent some money but we can't remember when, and we're looking at our tax bill thinking, I wish I'd remember that expense. So if you can run everything through contactless debit card and all of your income through a bank account, then you've got a really good start. And if you ever got an inquiry, a fantastic place to start defending yourself. So why am I saying run it through a bank account? Well, in the old days, we used to get paper bags and boxes of accounting records and punch them onto Sage on our mainframes. However, these days we have light cloud-based software that basically sucks the details from the bank into it. You decide where to put it, and suddenly, hey presto, you have a set of management information, so you've got a good idea where you're going. There are loads of them on the market. They're all different prices. They're all to different preferences. Some people like Xero, some people like Sage, some people like QuickBooks. They're all very heavily advertised. There are light versions for smaller businesses, so do take a look at them. What if you're not big enough for that? Well, a good old Excel spreadsheet is a good start, but again, just make sure it adds up. And again, what you can do is you can extract a spreadsheet from your business banking, which is another good reason to have a business bank account. And in this day and age, there is much less cash around, so it's easier to run things through the bank. So what if you've got cash? Well, it probably means that you're riskier in the revenues eyes. So it's always good to keep things like till totals, daily takings totals, so you can prove where you are. So I hope this has been really useful. If you've got any questions, please message or drop Joe a note under this video, and I look forward to giving you some more hints and tips soon. Thank you.